We're going to show you how to apply a Pearl Prints screen printed heat transfer from Transfer Express. We have a 50% cotton, 50% polyester tank top here, and you can go on to anything 100% cotton, polyester, or cotton poly blends. So start with your garment loaded onto your heat press and pre-press for about 4 seconds to remove moisture and wrinkles. Then with your Pearl Prints heat transfer, go ahead and put it ink side facing down. And I'll measure using 3 fingers down. And once it's aligned, close your heat press. You're going to be applying it at 340 degrees with a medium to firm pressure for 10 seconds. Pearl Prints is a cold peel, so you'll want to move your shirt off to the side to allow it to cool. And once it's completely cold to the touch, you can peel it away in a smooth, even motion. And your Pearl Prints screen printed heat transfer is complete.